Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Presenting the integration of building information modeling with cost-benefit analysis for public projects in Malaysia. This is our dedicated contestant, consists of me, Hananullah Mohamed, and Dr. Nur Fashiha Hashim, Dr. Nur Azia Muhammad Yuswan, and Dr. Siti Mazwana Shamsuddin from UiTM. The study starts with issues related to main challenges of BIM implementation reported by previous literatures including CIDB in 2019 BIM report. These are the high cost of BIM implementation and the lack cost analysis for the implementers. To address these challenges, our team has to examine further on three main issues, which are the inquiry for BIM investment value, second, the need for the measurement method of the BIM investment value, and third, the lack of ex ante model to evaluate BIM investment value. Hence, the aim of this study is to analyze costs and benefits of BIM implementation using a predictive decision-making tool. To achieve the aim of this study, three main objectives are formulated. First, to identify BIM costs and benefits. Second, to develop the measurement methods of different costs and benefits. And lastly, to propose BIM-CBA predictive model. Objective 1 and Objective 2 will be done to construct the BIM-CBA framework as the first outcome. The framework will be constructed using semi-structured interview for validation of the costs and benefits, and also using focus group discussion to develop unit measurement. The respondents are the BIM users in public agencies from different departments, including the owners, the SO, designers, engineers, QS, and also the BIM unit that are involved in several BIM projects. The qualitative data analysis will be used using content analysis for both of the objectives. The third and final objective will be achieved through development of BIM-CBA model that could simulate the value of BIM projects prior investment. This model will be developed using survey questionnaire as the data collection instrument. The respondents will be the BIM users from different departments in public agencies that are involved in selected BIM projects. The quantitative data analysis will be used using artificial neural network or ANN through three data segmentation, which is the model training, model testing, and also model validation. As mentioned in previous slide, two main predicted outcomes of this research are the BIM-CBA framework that maps different costs and benefits of BIM and its influencing factors, and two, BIM-CBA predictive model that is able to simulate BIM implementation value. This diagram shows the conceptual framework of this study, where we infuse the BIM costs and benefit factors into the CBA theory. The BIM costs and benefit factors act as independent variable, and the results of the analysis will be the dependent variable in the form of net present value. The value predicted will help the implementer in decision-making process. Positive outcome indicates BIM implementation, while negative outcome indicates further refinement in independent variables and other influencing factors, such as the choice of BIM activities, the maturity of BIM implementers, and many more. This research will hopefully contribute to different areas, mainly the government agency and the policymakers in the construction industry. It is actually in line with the National Construction Policy, NCP 2030, through automation in construction, following more and more BIM adoption, especially in public agencies such as JKR, CIDB, and other ministries such as MOF and Ministry of Health. From there, hopefully it will stimulate the economic activity by providing useful information to the decision makers. Other than that, this study also contributes to the body of knowledge through identification of different costs and benefits to be reaped through different variables to produce more reliable results of the investment. Conceptually, the BIM-CBA model can be used and can be expanded to be adopted in different project cycles, different stakeholders, whether it's public or private, and also different project procurement method. In conclusion, this study has led us to identify different BIM costs and benefits that could be reaped according to different influencing factors, such as different project life cycles, different BIM stakeholders, different BIM users, and also different maturity level. It also has led us to identify different novel approach to measure BIM costs and benefits that include tangible and intangible items. Lastly, a functioning CBA model that could predict BIM investment for future projects could be formulated for users before actually starting the projects. From that, we thank you everyone for your time to listen to this presentation. Thank you.